Hello and welcome to another quick update about the Sandbox. We are moving down further here, also in line with my expectations. I did show you in the previous video that we were going up here to that wave B. That wave B came to the perfect retracement level, of the wave A down here. So we came all the way up to the 0.618 fib level at 682. Yeah, it did overshoot it slightly by 10 cents, but overall that is where we retraced. And since then, we hit that level and then we have been coming down. Basically looking the other way around from the low to the top of that wave 5, you could not get through the 0.214 fib level at 681. So it's just depending on from which way you're looking. But what can be said, that wave B was if it was a wave B, that's obviously my assumption, then this did work out very well and it hit an ideal target level for a wave B. Then we've been coming down. Did tell you at that time when we cross that support line, we are going to expect much lower prices, and you can see there was a significant price drop when we dropped below it, and we had a 13% drop, I think, in a day. Since then, we have been moving down here and bleeding out pretty much, also in line with my expectation. I gave you here this blue target area where I would expect the price to be landing when Bitcoin is going down further, or eventually to complete this wave C correction. Now, this target area is sitting between the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level at 230 and the 0.618 fib level at 362. Again, the 0.618 will be the most important Fibonacci retracement level anyway, so I think the price will be drawn towards that. And then you could even drop one lower level, and theoretically, based on this kind of a correction, you could even drop all the way down to the 0.887 at 149 with a high likelihood. I don't think necessarily for for Sand this is going to happen. A few reasons for that. One reason is that you have a lot of support down here at the 0.786 fib level. There's a lot of support. Also, I think what you're going to see here is the 200-day moving average coming up here. And all of this is going to give really, really good support, Also, I think we've already held quite well compared to some other cryptos, What we see, we found support here at the low from the 4th of December, pretty much, when we've just come down here. As soon as you break that, I think you're going to get to the 0.618. I even think with a very high likelihood, you're going to go down to that level in the next move. Basically, because what you're doing here, you're coming down here in the beginning of the wave C, after we completed that wave B with a high likelihood. You're coming down impulsively, you're just consolidating impulsively, consolidating a strong downtrend, And what you're doing now, you come up here a little bit and then you're gonna fall down, in my view. No guarantee, but I think what we're doing here, we're just retesting this 455 level, this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. I think we are just retesting it, and then we're going to go down one step lower. Bear in mind, the $4 line will be an important support level, and here on this channel, every channel member, we had buy order set, one buy order for Sand to dollar cost average in here at the low. Perfectly timed the low again. I think it was at 425 roughly. It was triggered. We're now already at 444, and everybody who wants to or wanted to could now obviously take profits, but for me it's more a long-term thing. I think when we're going to turn around here, then obviously we've got our sell orders much higher. In my view, trading also, I like to do it more longer term, more like swing trading, dollar cost averaging in at strategic levels and then dollar cost averaging out as well, the same way. And so far, it's been working out. So I think we're going to see at least here this level, the 362 level. Is that enough? I don't know, maybe it could be enough. But I actually think we are going to go here a little bit lower and maybe find a support here within this target area. Somewhere here on the left-hand side, there's a lot of support levels, but maybe we're also going to max it out. That is, I can't tell you now, but this is the area with the highest likelihood where I would say the price is going to turn around and we're going to go into the uptrend again. But we're obviously going to evaluate it going forward here. If we see that the price doesn't react to any of the supports, we might have to re-evaluate and then also assume that we could go easily to the 0.887, which I think at the moment is not too realistic, because you have a lot of support here in the 200-day moving average. We're not going to fall easily below that level. Now in the next move up, what do I expect? I think this will only happen as soon as Bitcoin has bottomed out and is going to go up as well. I would expect prices above $10 here for the Sandbox. I think we can see prices above, here above $10, probably the 1.618 at least, $13.40, maybe even here the 200% at $16.40. So in there you could then get your turnaround here in this area and move up to the next higher level. And a lot of things happening in the Sandbox. So yeah, I'm quite confident that this could be taking place after more price decreases. All right, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.